Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Today we'll see this sum. We have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Here under root of 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A is equal to sec A plus tan A. We have to prove this. So we'll consider LHS is equal to complete under root 1 plus sine of A divided by 1 minus sine of A. Here in RHS, let me write first this. RHS is equal to sec of A plus tan of A. In RHS we have sec and tan term, so we have to convert it this sine into sec and tan term. So for this conversion we can multiply and divide by root of cos of A in numerator and denominator. So we get completely taking square root 1 plus sine of A divided by cos of A divided by 1 minus sine of A upon cos of A. As this is in square root, we can take inside and we can divide this numerator by cos of A and denominator by cos of A. So we'll separate this cos of A. Now we'll be getting in under root 1 upon cos of A plus sine of A divided by cos of A, completely divided by 1 upon cos of A minus sine of A divided by cos of A. Now we know that 1 upon cos of A is equal to sec A, and sine A upon cos A, that is tan of A from the trigonometric formulas. So we can write in under root sec of A plus tan of A divided by sec of A minus tan of A. Now we'll rationalize the denominator. This is tan, and we'll multiply and divide by root of sec A plus tan A. So we get, after multiplying, root of, we'll separate this for numerator and denominator, sec of A plus tan of A into root of sec of A plus tan of A, this is in complete under root, divided by root of sec A minus tan A into sec of under root sec of A plus tan of A. Now in the numerator the terms are similar, so we can square it. So by squaring, this square root will get cancelled. But for denominator, here we have A minus B into A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So finally we get, let me write here, finally we'll be getting root of sec A plus tan A bracket square in numerator divided by root of sec square A minus tan square A. This is our second trigonometric identity in the denominator, that is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So by converting this, 1 is equal to sec square A minus tan square A. So we can substitute the value and we'll get the denominator as root of 1, that is equal to 1. So this numerator has numerator square term, and this under root term will get cancelled. So we'll be getting sec of a plus tan of a divided by 1, that is equal to sec of a plus tan of a, and that is our RHS. Thanks guys for watching this video. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.